Good morning students, how are you? Today I am going to teach you chapter number 14, Baswa farm. So in this picture you can see this is the Baswa's father. I am Baswa, my father is a farmer. We live in Belvanika village in Karnataka. So Baswa's father is a farmer and they are living in Belvanika village in Karnataka. It is a month of July. Like every year, Appa, my father, is preparing the field to sow the onion crop. So Baswa and his father is preparing a onion crop in July month. There are so many things to be done at this time. This time in July there is so many things to be done. To help him, I too go to the field with Appa. Baswa also want to go to field with his father. In the last few days, Appa has been using the kunti and iron rod to dig the soil, loosen it and make it soft. So Baswa's father using a kunti. This is a kunti. The Baswa's father is using kunti for losing the soil and make it soft for making onion crops healthy and grow more. Sowing the seeds. This year also my father will sow onion seeds in the field. In this year, Baswa's father also grow onion crops in the field. The bullocks will pull the khurij and Appa will walk behind them. The bullock will pull. Bullock also pull the khurij. This is khurij and Appa will walk behind. In this picture you can see the bullock will pull khurij and Appa will walk behind them. Sprinkling the seeds. I would also like to do this just like my Appa. In this picture you can see the Baswa's father using khurij and Appa walking behind the bullocks and sprinkling the seeds. And the Baswa also want to do just like his father. But Appa says that it is necessary to drop a right amount of seeds at the regular distance. So what his father says that his father says to Baswa that the right amount of it is necessary to right amount of seeds to make it crops regular distance. So if we can put a right amount of seeds at regular distance, then the crops grow more healthy and nice. This is not so easy to do. What the regular distance, right amount of regular distance, it is necessary but it is not so easy. He says that I may drop too many seeds at one place. If the Baswa drop too many seeds at one place, the crop will destroy. I must wait till I am a little older to be able to do this properly. Why? Because Baswa is so small child, so he must wait till older to do this work. Next is the sprout appeared. It is now 20 days since the seeds were sown. So in what time the seeds were sown? So it is a 20 days. 20 days since the seeds were sown. The onion plants have started to sprout along with the onion plants. The onion plants also take 20 days to started to sprout, and along with the onion plants weeds have also come up. So in with onion plants also the weeds also come with the onion plants. So weeds means, what is the weeds means? The weeds means unwanted plant with growing with the main plant or main crops. So weeds grow in the field and gardens without being planted. So without being planted, it's called weeds. And where it is grow in fields and gardens. Appa says that we must remove the weed so that they do not take up all the water and fertilizer. If we put or we drop of water in onion crops or any crops, but if the weed is growing with the main plant, what that happen? They do not take up of water and fertilizer, because the weeds also take water and fertilizer. So the main plant is not grow properly. If there are too many weeds, then the onion plants will not be healthy. If there is more weeds near around the onion plants or onion crops, so what happens? The onion plants will not be healthy. The onion plants will not happy. Why? Because of the weeds. Because the weeds take all the water and fertilizer. Amma, uncle and I will all help Appa to take out the weeds. Baswa all family, uncle, amma and Baswa also to go with help to his father. What help? To take out all the weeds, because of main plant, the onion plant have to take water and fertilizer, and the onion crops grow more healthy. Growing plants. I am happy to see the plants growing. They are tall enough to reach my knees. In this time, what the Baswa also happy to growing plants, happy to see the growing plants, and they are all enough to reach his knee. The Baswa, when Baswa went to the farm or to see the plants, he is very happy. The leaves have started turning yellow. The leaves also started turning yellow and drying up. This means that the onion are ready to be taken out. So in which time we can take the onion crops? So when the leaves started turning yellow, so we can take out to be ready to take out to be harvesting. Okay, so in this time we can say that we can take the all onion when the leaves started to turning yellow. Everyone at home will have to work to take the onion out. So Baswa's all family member to help his father to take out all the onion crop. It is important that this should be done at right time. If it is not done in right time, so it is important to take out all the onion in right time. If we are late, the onion will rot. If we are late to taken out all the onions, all the onions will rot in a ground and itself, and all our hard work will be waste. All our hard work will be waste. If we not take out all the onion from the ground, all the hard work will be waste. So the Baswa's all family member work together for taking out to the onion crops. So everyone at home is happy. This is the onion are big. This time the onions are big and healthy. Amma and auntie use a ilgi to cut the dried leaves from the top of the onion. So in everyone at home is happy. You can see everyone in this picture. See, everyone is happy to see all the onion is very healthy. This is time the onion are big and healthy. You can see all the onion are very big and healthy. Amma and auntie use the ilgi to cut the finger. This is the name of ilgi. So what is the use of ilgi? We can cut the dry leaves from the onion. It means ilgi, the cutter. What is this? This is the cutter of, we can use the onion dry leaves, we can cut. So amma and auntie, what they do? The amma and auntie use the ilgi for the dried leaves from the top of the onion. They remove the dry leaves from the onion. The ilgi is sharp and you have to be careful not to cut your finger. So the ilgi, these things or this sharp, this is the very sharp. Ilgi is very sharp for to cut the finger. We can careful about the ilgi because of it is a cut of your finger. So we have to be very careful. Appa and uncle fill the sacks with the onion. So what Appa and uncle fill the sacks with onion. You can see the Appa and uncle also fill the sacks with the onion, and Appa will take them in the truck to sell in the big market. And what they can do, they fill the sacks and with the onion and take them to the truck in the market, so they can easily go to the market easily and they can sell and they can earn the money. So here you can see the lesson of the Baswa's farm is how we can grow crops in field. So I hope you understand the lesson, and I hope